Hey, you look like a biker this morning.
Alright guys, I had to whip the camera out this morning to shoot a quick video on the GasGas ES700. And this is a bike that, take a quick spin up and down the street. It's easy to have an attitude of gratitude, so to speak. Just a badass motor. Single cylinder, 700cc, 4-stroke, putting out with a tune and some bolt-ons. I'll show you what we got cooking here. This thing's putting down over 70 rear wheel horsepower. It's got more power to weight ratio than a CR500. It's an indestructible, low maintenance single cylinder, so you got crisp throttle response. It's like a 450 motor, but on steroids. This bike's got the Rottweiler intake kit, the Dynajet Power Commander tuner with the Rottweiler tune on it, and then a Tecmo titanium, full titanium exhaust. Just badass. It's also got the Rottweiler emissions block off plate over here. What this does is, well, it gets rid of all the emissions equipment, uncorks the bike. This bike, the KTM 690, the Husqvarna 701, the GasGas 700, whatever you want to call it, produced by KTM Group. This motor, it's been the same since 2016. It's massively slept on. People don't realize how good these motors are. That's what I want to highlight in this video. Never had this bike cough out on me. The fuel injection is phenomenal, and it doesn't have that cough out tendency like the smaller bore motocross bikes. The thing I love most about this bike is the power curve, and as you get into the higher rev range, you guys just saw it, 4th gear, going slow, whack the throttle, leave it on. As it climbs, the front end just wants to lift. It has enormous power in the upper end of the rev range. Just a total delight to ride. Brakes are just insane. This is a bike that you can put where you want. You feel like you're in total command. What do you think, Moses?
Oh yeah, you're good, you're good, yeah. I mean, soon I'm getting my GasGas and I will get on the road.
When you have just gobs of power at your disposal, you don't have to override the bike. That's what I love about this. You can just have small inputs and have a tremendous amount of fun without beating the crap out of it. You see guys that try to do wheelies on DRZ 400s and they're revving them to the moon and dumping the clutch and trying to lift up on the handlebars, and they're just taking abuse, and then they go to put them down and they're smashing blowing the fork seals out of it. If you haven't ridden one of these bikes, you ought to jump on one and see what you're missing out on. This one's got the OEM Baja, they call it the Baja foot pegs oversized. This black wheel set by W, the OEM crash bars, and some other OEM billet goodies. Aside from that, it's bone stock, and it's just been a total delight. I think this is my favorite all-time motorcycle, and I've ridden thousands of bikes here at the museum. So why don't you guys leave in the comments, what do you think about the GasGas ES700? What's the bike that makes you have an attitude of gratitude? And what would you like to see next here on the Kaplan America channel? Thanks for watching, and God bless America.